Now to Wall Street, where the Dow just surged past the 22,000 mark for the first time. The record high comes one day after Apple reported strong third quarter earnings results. CBS News reporter Roxana Saberi is at the New York Stock Exchange with more on that. So, Roxana, what is the reaction on the floor to this news?
Good morning, Anne-Marie. Well, it was a day of a lot of cheers again. We heard a lot of those cheers at the opening bell this morning as the Dow hit the 22,000 mark. Driving the Dow's gain, as you mentioned, is Apple. Its stock soared 6% in the first few minutes of trading today. Shares of Apple have hit an all-time high after the company announced strong earnings yesterday and better than expected sales of iPhones. Analysts say the upbeat forecast means the iPhone 8 should be on the shelves this fall. And to celebrate, we've seen hats like this. People were prepared for this moment, I would say. These hats were also made when the Dow hit 21,000. Anne-Marie?
Well, I would argue that part of the reason people were prepared is because the stock exchange has actually been doing quite well for a while now. It's been on a long-term upward sweep. So, Roxana, put this in context for me. Just how big of a deal is this record?
Well, it is a big deal here. I mean, it's a cause for a lot of celebration, and we have seen the Dow on a run on an upward trend for months now. It actually hit the 21,000 point on March 1st, but the Dow has seen a bumpy road in the past 5 months, with doubts growing about whether President Trump can put his pro-growth policies into practice. The Dow hit 20,000 in January. Banks, tech stocks, and better than expected corporate profits helped push the Dow to its fifth straight record high yesterday. And now you see what's happening today, so got to see if it keeps continuing to rise.
What I really want to see is you rocking that hat that you just got there.
Here you go.
Looking pretty good, Roxana. Roxana Saberi, thank you so
much.
Thank you very much.